A weak and elongated area of low pressure just off the east coast of Florida is accompanied by disorganized showers and thunderstorms extending from southern Florida northeastward across the southwestern Atlantic. Upper-level winds are not favorable for development, but this system could still produce locally heavy rains to portions of the Florida Peninsula as it moves northward during the next day or two. Formation chance through 48 hours, low, 10%. Formation chance through 5 days, low, 10%. The combination of warm temperatures and high dew points will produce heat indices between 105 and 109 degrees this afternoon. Residents with outdoor activities planned are urged to drink plenty of water, wear lightweight and light-colored clothing, and take frequent breaks from the heat. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. This is especially true during warm or hot weather when car interiors can reach lethal temperatures in a matter of minutes. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a heat advisory, which is in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Temperature, maximum heat index values range from 110 to 113. Impacts, prolonged outdoor activity without taking precautions, such as drinking plenty of non-alcoholic liquids and taking frequent breaks from the heat and air-conditioned buildings, may result in heat exhaustion or even heat stroke. A heat advisory means that heat indices of 110 degrees or higher are expected over most of the area for at least 2 hours. Prolonged exposure combined with physical activity could cause heat exhaustion and even heat stroke. The elderly, the very young, the sick, and people with heart conditions are most at risk in extreme heat. Reduce, eliminate, or reschedule strenuous activities to the coolest times of the day. If you must be outside, reduce your activities and take frequent breaks, preferably in an air-conditioned area. Wear lightweight, light-colored clothing. Drink plenty of non-alcoholic liquids, preferably water, even if you do not feel thirsty. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a heat advisory, which is in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Temperature, high temperatures in the middle to upper 90s will combine with high relative humidity to produce heat index values of 108 to 111 degrees. Impacts, high heat index will make heat illnesses possible this afternoon. A heat advisory means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. The combination of hot temperatures and high humidity will combine to create a situation in which heat illnesses are possible. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible and drink plenty of water. The current time is 11:21 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the 11 a.m. South Texas weather observations. At Pleasanton, partly sunny. Temperature 88 degrees, dew point 73, and the relative humidity 61%. Wind south at 7 miles an hour. The pressure 30.11 inches and steady. At Alice, mostly sunny. Temperature 88 degrees, dew point 75, and the relative humidity 65%. Wind south at 9 miles an hour. The pressure 30.08 inches and rising. Across the area, Catula, mostly sunny, 87 degrees. Hondo, mostly sunny, 88 degrees. San Antonio, mostly sunny, 86 degrees. Victoria, mostly sunny, 89 degrees. Corpus Christi, mostly sunny, 90 degrees. The forecast for McMullen, Live Oak, and the counties. Heat advisory in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Today, mostly cloudy in the morning, then partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 90s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Heat index ratings around 110. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 70s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, in the evening becoming light. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs around 103. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Heat index ratings around 110. Tropical weather outlook. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, an area of disturbed weather centered a couple of hundred miles north of the northern Leeward Islands has become a little better organized since yesterday, but there are no indications of a closed circulation. Upper-level winds are forecast to become more favorable for development by the weekend, but dry air aloft could limit additional development of the thunderstorm activity. This makes the overall environment only marginally conducive for tropical cyclone formation. The disturbance is expected to move northwestward today, then northward over the weekend across the western Atlantic Ocean. Formation chance through 48 hours, low, 30%. Formation chance through 5 days, medium, 50%. A weak and elongated area of low pressure just off the east coast of Florida is accompanied by disorganized showers and thunderstorms extending from southern Florida northeastward across the southwestern Atlantic. Upper-level winds are not favorable for development, but this system could still produce locally heavy rains to portions of the Florida peninsula as it moves northward during the next day or two. Formation chance through 48 hours, low, 10%. Formation chance through 5 days, low, 10%. The combination of warm temperatures and high dew points will produce heat indices between 100...
Chance cycle. 3 rivers. 3 rivers, that's it.